change the optic fiber cable, and this one as well from the cluster, because it was too long. So I have to connect line assist. I will do that in a moment. And just working on reverse camera. It's a Highline genuine camera. Put the wires through in that way, go inside, and that way go out. So I have to tighten them here. And this is which way I have to go. That cable is that's over from the speakers, because I retrofit Dynaudio system, so they was too long, and that's why they look like this. I was too lazy to cut them off, leave it at this moment. The speedo's out because the cables for camera will go behind, so that'd be easy, you know, to track them. Right, this is my old camera. It's working okay, but doesn't have dynamic line. They are there, but they're working as a gyro. So when I turn steering wheel left or right, they just dead. But when I start to reverse and the car getting bent, the lines they are curved. That's why I replace it. It's good view, everything is fine, but just only missing that dynamic lines. That's my new brakes. The reverse camera is working. It's coded for a Highline as well. Everything it's working as should. Wide angle, trailer option. This is the, I don't know even how to call it, another option, and this is the standard view. I'm missing connection for a line assist right now. The harness they are already in from the ACC, and I have to connect them. After that I will need calibration, which probably give me more trouble because I never do that before. It's not a big deal as far as I know. Just have to realize how far the board has to be off the car to calibrate basically, and that's it.